Okay, we're back. That's rigged up. Butt check. Follows that crotch. That's going to lower it down. Safety line in place. In case the wood decides to break in here, I'll have a secondary tie-in. There's Matthew down there. Ready on the rope. On the video. You're on video, Matt. Doing instructional. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try not to drop my camera as I make the cut. Wobble wobble, there's the thing in there. Okay, lower her on out, Matthew.
Take it off.
Okay. She won't fall down? There you go. I don't see what's holding your rope, Matt. There. Oh, it's sitting on the trunk. Okay. Just tip it right out so you can get a hand on it. There you go. Good job. See, he can wrestle down a big old section of tree. Just like an opponent in his wrestling. There you go. He's jiggy with it. The rope move there. Go there. And there's no brush left to this tree. Down this log on my way down. It's untying that. Try to get closer to that chipper over there, and we'll chip it when I get down. Okay. Signing off. Be safe. Bye.